So I guess this one's a bit of an oldie but a goldie, side plank hip lift. So this is an exercise quite late in the side plank series, whereas the standard side plank will kind of fairly equally share the work from the obliques, the lateral flexors of the spine, the hip, a little bit shoulder. The hip lift variation definitely puts most of the working effort into the side of the hip. These are muscles that are notoriously fairly weak, given all the sitting down we do. And certainly this is going to be much harder than a classic side plank. If I've told you, for example, to do 40 seconds of this, 20 seconds of this, and you can't hold it for that long, then don't be afraid to do something called a cluster set, which is whereby you, hypothetically, if it was 30 seconds, for example, you can do 10 seconds, 5 seconds off, 10 seconds, 5 seconds off, 10 seconds to build one set. Okay, this just gives you the opportunity to complete the working effort. So it's pretty simple in terms of how it progresses from the normal side plank. Set yourself up as normal, lift through here, and then just open the hip. This is the area that you're thinking about keeping away from the floor, like that. Okay. Now you'll notice there when I did that, I began to slip down the mat a little bit. For this reason, it's not the end of the world if you need to do this against a wall. Yes, it makes it easier, but also it just means you can actually target the working effort into the side of the hip. So we still want to keep these exercises constructive, even if they're hard. So I don't mind if you need to modify that one up against the wall or something like that.